Did you know I was up here making this video this whole time and I totally forgot the damn thing's not recording? And it's funny because the thing's recording. When it's recording, there's a little number right above, I don't know what side of the screen is, the side of the screen, and it's there just ticking down. That's recording. And I've been recording this video. Took it out of the box, talk about the stuff, showed you what I was watching, what I was doing, and the damn thing wasn't recording. And I didn't even notice that thing was missing from the corner. It was right up there, okay? A little ticker. Yeah, I'm really not with it. My tick is coming. It's going to kick my ass here soon. It's coming, and what I'm trying to do is keep myself from having it, because I hate having it. I literally beat myself up. If you didn't watch, if you never see it, I might tick, not recommended to watch it. But if you ever want to know, if you go on my actual channel page, and there's a video that shows, you'll see me kicking my own ass. Yes, and I'm about to have one of them episodes. So right before I start having those episodes, I literally, it's like I'm in a fog and I can't speak straight and my thoughts are all jumbled and it's a mess. So I'm trying to make this video before I have it. Again, I'm just trying not to have it. Yes. So I got this belt hoop. I took it out of the box, and I did it when I was doing the first recording. Sorry, when I was doing the camera looking at me, not recording. So it's a belt hoop. It's actually pretty neat. It's actually a really nice hoop. So feels really nice, sturdy. Screws everywhere. There's little screws all over the place. How you look? Oh, you just push the buttons here. Oh, it's spring-loaded. Spring-loaded, so you just push a little button there, right there, this camera focus, and it just pops open, see that? So when you put your thing in there, you just push this open and it just pops open. I was wondering how it opens. Oh, wow. This one's harder to open. So if you pull on it and if you pull on it, oh, there you go. Pull on it and pulls it open. But oh, there you go. Now it opens. So you just pull on a little bit, and then you just push on this little thing right there, and it just pops open. And pretty neat. On the other side, same thing. Just kind of push on it just a little bit, it pops open. Pretty neat. So it's aluminum here. This is aluminum. I can tell that's aluminum, and then this look like stainless steel design. Not bad. Not bad at all. Actually, I actually like it already. So. They couldn't have sent this to me at a more perfect time. I literally have some belts to embroider. Yeah, I got belts to embroider, and they contact me, asked me if I wanted to test a hoop. Now, it comes with a bunch of clips. So even though I don't have these machines, they do send you the clips in the box, standard. So I have a bunch of and what these are, they go on the side. Wow. Oh, look, either side. So there's holes here and holes here, so you can put it on either side, I guess, and it will work. So if you have multiple different types of machines, you get multiple brackets. So you don't have to stick with, don't have to put it on one machine and leave it on the one machine. If you want to use a different machine, you can just replace the handles. That's awesome. So then you can choose a machine you want to use this on. Nice. If I ever get another machine, I can use this, and I don't have to worry about finding new brackets for them, because the brackets I already have the brackets. That's a plus. And I got a fourth one, and I'm guessing this one's for my Melco. Because when I search on their website, when I was looking at their website, let me bring it up real quick. Okay, so when I was on their website, okay, this is their store. Their store is called sewtech. Sewtech. I don't know. I think I'm botching the name, but that's the name. Okay, so when I was looking at the product page. I'll do this on the computer one of these days. I'll go through their website Not maybe not on this video, but on another video. Okay, you know how I do. I test out of stuff, and I show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And there's going to be so same thing here. It's going to be a series of videos just about this thing, and I'll show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. But when I went on their website and I was looking up, I didn't see Melco as an option, which is fine. Which is okay, because then you can ask them, which right there, see, you just ask them for the machine you want the bracket for, because all it really is just this bracket. Okay, that's all it is. You want to use it on a specific machine. I guess you ask them, talk to them call them, whatever you need to do, and then they'll probably put the bracket, because as you can see, this is in a total different package than this one. So I'm guessing this one's a Melco. I'll find out soon enough when I open it up. This is just the introduction video to this thing, so I just want to let y'all know I have this thing. And they sent it again. I don't remember if I told you. Again, remember, I'm having my thing going on. This is... Man, I just lost what the hell I was talking about. I just lost what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, I hate this tick. I really hate this tick and these seizures. I really hate them. When I'm having them, I'm telling you, I'm just it's in a fog, this huge fog, and I just don't know how to. You can't find your way out of it, and it's hard to keep my brain straight, my thoughts straight, not brain. So yeah, so I got all this, and when they sent it to me, they asked me what machine I needed, what machine I have, and I have a Melco, so that I'm hoping that that's what they put in here. I'm pretty sure that's what they did put in here is my Melco brackets. So none of these brackets will work for me. None of these 3 brackets will ever work for me. So they packaged this in the box. I know it's gonna be a little, you know me, when I'm talking about new products, I have to give you all the information so that when you go purchase one from sewtech, and I don't know who make this. I'm not exactly sure. I know it's from sewtech. I got the belt hoop, which I'm happy for the belt hoop, again, because I have belts I'm gonna use this on. Oh. That's weird. Oh, I gotta screw this one in some more. These look like they're not in properly. So the screws on this one is not in all the way. So this thing is like a little flexy. Oh, let me, right there, see? The screws are not in all the way. See them? They're up a little bit. So I'm gonna see if I can drive these in a little bit more. So this will, see how flexible that is? And if I take off the other side, see? It's not loose. So the screws are the screws are just not in. See it? The screws are, you can tell the screws are not in all the way. So I'm gonna adjust that and fix that issue. I told you, I'm gonna give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to people. I don't have time for that. And then show you experience. But before I get off here, because I won't make this video too long, this is just the introduction video about what's here. And then I have, oh, sorry, I keep going back over this. Then I have a whole bunch of stuff that they want me to touch on, that they would like me to touch on. So I'm gonna go over that too. I'm gonna go over the list. It's a list of stuff. Let me show you if you can find it. Ah, here it is. So this whole list, they want me to go over this list and kind of touch up on it, you know, what they want me to touch on. Plus I'm gonna go over my own experiences. Duh, you know how I do things. I gotta tell y'all everything. I want when y'all buy, when y'all go to the store and pick up something like this, you know what you're gonna get into, and you won't be disappointed or happy because you already know exactly why you're buying it, what you're gonna use it for, and what it's good or not good for. You know how I do. And if you don't know, welcome to the channel. You might want to subscribe. Oh, this thing. If you don't know what this is, okay, you might want to get one. Every embroidery machine, I think almost every embroidery manufacturer has a clamp like this. Okay, I was planning on doing the belts that I had to do on this thing. Okay, I was going to use this to do the belt, But now that I have this, which is literally the same, actually this is wider. Yeah, look at that. It's wider by, you know, not much, but it is. It's wider. Look at that. That's a decent distance. All right. So now I have more room to work with. I can't wait. And and if you think the only thing I'm gonna do on this thing is belt you out of your ever-loving mind, my brain is actually going 100 miles an hour, even in my state of dysfunction. I have other things I want to try to embroider on this thing. I can't wait to put this thing to the test. All right. So, till next time. Peace.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.